Welcome friends, today we are going to start the course Field Theory. But in our first lecture, we have to revise some definitions like binary operation, group, abelian group, ring, commutative ring, polynomial ring and integral domain. So let us start with the definition binary operation. If S is any non-empty set, then a function star from S cross S to S is called binary operation on set S. That is, for any two arbitrary elements A and B belongs to S. If A star B is also an element of set S, then we can say that star is binary operation on set S. For example, if we consider a set of natural numbers, n is equals to 1, 2, 3 up to so on, then addition is binary operation on n. Because if we take any two arbitrary elements from natural numbers, then their addition is also a natural number. Therefore, addition is binary operation on n. Now, next definition is group. So, group is non-empty set G with binary operation star. G is non-empty set with binary operation star such that star is associative. That is, for all A, B, C belongs to G, A star B star C equals to A star B star C. Existence of identity element. That is, there exists an element E belongs to G such that A star E equals to A equals to E star A for all A belongs to G. Then this E is called identity element. Third one is existence of inverse. Existence of inverse element. That is, for every element A belongs to G, there exists B belongs to G such that A star B is equals to identity element of G equals to B star A, and this element B is called inverse of A, and inverse of A is denoted by A inverse. Now this is the definition of group. Example, set of integer. Set of integer is a group with respect to binary operation addition. Clearly, addition of any two integers is again an integer. That is, addition is binary operation on set of integer. Now we have to check associativity. For all A, B, C belongs to Z, A plus B plus C equals to A plus B plus C. Therefore, addition is associative. Second one is existence of identity element. We know that 0 is an element of set Z, set of integers, and for all a belongs to Z, a plus 0 is equals to a, which is equals to 0 plus a. Therefore 0 is identity element of set of integers with respect to addition. Now third one is existence of inverse element. We know that for all a belongs to set of integers, there exists minus a belongs to set of integers such that a plus minus a equals to 0, where 0 is the identity element for the set of integers with respect to binary operation addition. So all the properties for group are satisfied. Therefore the set of integers with respect to binary operation addition is group. Now the next definition is abelian group. If set G with respect to binary operation star is a group, then set G with respect to binary operation star is abelian group if for all a and b belongs to G, a star b is equals to b star a. For example, set of integers with respect to binary operation addition is an abelian group. Because for all a and b belongs to set of integers, a plus b is equals to b plus a. Now the next definition is ring. Ring R is a non-empty set with two binary operations addition and multiplication such that R with respect to binary operation addition is an abelian group. Second one is multiplication is associative, and third one is left and right distributive laws hold in R. That is for all a, b, c belongs to R, a dot b plus c is equals to a dot b plus a dot c. This is called left distributive law. And b plus c dot a is equals to b dot a plus c dot a, which is called as right distributive law. In both the laws, multiplication is distributed over addition. Now the next definition is unity. If R is ring with respect to binary operation addition and multiplication, if there exists element u belongs to R such that a dot u is equals to a equals to u dot a for all a belongs to ring R, then u is called unity of ring R. If R with respect to binary operation addition and multiplication is ring, then a non-zero element A of ring R is unit if there exists B belongs to R such that A dot B is equals to U is equals to B dot A, where U is unity of ring R. If R with respect to binary operation addition and multiplication is ring, then R is commutative ring if for all A and B belongs to R, A dot B is equals to B dot A. For example, set of real numbers with respect to binary operation addition and multiplication is commutative ring because for all A and B belongs to R, A dot B is equals to B dot A. Multiplication is commutative. Now the next definition is integral domain. A commutative ring R is integral domain if for A and B are two elements from R and A dot B is equals to 0, then either A is equals to 0 or B is equals to 0, where 0 is an additive identity of ring R. Next definition is polynomial ring. If R with respect to addition and multiplication is ring, then the polynomial ring Rx is given by a0 plus a1x plus a2x square up to an x raised to n, such that a0, a1 up to an belongs to ring R. This is called as polynomial ring, and which is denoted by Rx. That is, polynomial Rx is a set of all polynomials a0 plus a1x plus a2x square plus up to an x raised to n, such that a0, a1 up to an all belongs to ring R. And finally, the definition of field. So what is field? Field is a commutative ring with unity in which every non-zero element is unit. Commutative ring with unity in which every non-zero element is unit. For example, set of real numbers with respect to binary operation addition and multiplication is field, because for all a belongs to set of real numbers, there exists 1 upon a belongs to R, such that a into 1 upon a, which is equals to 1, where 1 is unity of ring R. Therefore, set of real numbers with respect to binary operation addition and multiplication is field. Now we have enough information to start our course. So in the next video, we will start the first chapter of our course, field theory. Thank you for watching this video.